Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In my last video, I did a nail art using Picture Curable Nail Polish. And also I mentioned that Picture Polish claim that their Picture Curable is easy to use and easy to remove. That's why in today's video, I'm going to test that is it really easy to remove or not. In instruction card, they mentioned that soak your nails in acetone or gel polish remover for 2 to 3 minutes. Well, 100% pure stone is not available in my country, so I can't use it. But gel polish remover is available and I'm allergic to it, so I can't use it either. Then I thought, why not remove PC with my regular nail polish remover, which has acetone and propylene glycol in it. I think I pronounced it correctly. And I'm starting with removing jewelries from my nails, and you can see that I broke my index nail somehow when I was sleeping. Yes, that sounds funny, I know. So please don't think that I broke it during removing gel polish. Now I'm filing my index and middle finger nails to break the top coat seal and leaving my ring and pinky nail to test out that does they remove without breaking the seal. As Brent claims, it's easy to remove, so why not? And here I'm taking nail polish remover in a cotton ball in generous amount and placing it on my nail. I know I supposed to wrap it with tin foil, but I couldn't find any tin foil to any shop near to my house. That's why I'm using this small size Ziploc bag with scotch tape and waiting for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 minutes, I removed the Ziploc bag and see, it's cracked. It's really cracked. Okay, don't get too excited. Let's see what happened next. So here I am removing cracked nail polishes with help of wooden stick from my nails. After removing them, I noticed that nail polish from my middle and ring fingernail is still stuck on. That's why I am soaking them again in nail polish remover for 2 more minutes. As you can see, they dissolved after soaking them for the second time in nail polish remover. Now I'm cleaning my nails with a cotton ball which is soaked with nail polish remover, and my nails are clean now. As nail polish remover makes my nails dry, that's why I am applying some cuticle oil on my nails and cuticle. So here is the result. I think they are quite easy to remove because I tried to remove gel polish previously with the same nail polish remover and that didn't work. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments down below. See you next week. Stay safe.